If your Milwaukee Tool M18 battery refuses to charge and you don't have a charger handy, it's usually because the battery has dropped into deep discharge protection. The internal battery management system, or BMS, shuts it down when voltage falls too low. In many cases, you can safely wake the battery with a controlled jump start. One common method is using another fully charged M18 battery. Briefly connect positive to positive and negative to negative to transfer a small surface charge just enough to bring the sleeping battery above the BMS threshold. You can also use a regulated DC power supply set strictly to 18 volts and no more than 1 amp. Exceeding that can permanently damage the cells. Some users try repeatedly inserting the battery firmly into the charger several times to build a tiny incremental charge that reactivates normal charging. Before attempting anything, inspect the battery terminals. Clean contacts with isopropyl alcohol and check for corrosion or debris. Use a multimeter to test voltage. Anything below about 16 volts usually means shutdown from deep discharge. Ideal storage voltage is around 17.7 volts. Always match chargers and batteries correctly, since low-quality third-party chargers often fail the internal handshake required for charging.